I'm going to show you how to shampoo your own hair. And yep, I'm doing it in the shower. So, first, it's going to be really cold. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. We're going to wet our hair. The first shampoo I do is deep cleansing. That is all I need. These Milkshake products are concentrated products. You do not need a lot. Some of the store-bought products, they add a half a bottle of water at first, so you're going to pay. You get a lot of crappy ingredients, and you go through twice as much. So, quality products, you don't need a lot of product. So I emulsify. Number one, we don't start here. We start on the sides of our hair. Why? Because then we can bring it up to the top and the bottom and make sure our entire scalp is cleansed. And the reason we do that is because as our hair as a garden, our hair is like our soil. So we want to make sure that we tend to all of it all at the same time. So we're going to start here. We start here. And then we bring it up to the top. Now, if you can notice, my hair is not lathering a lot. Do you want to know why? Because it's not clean. There are many companies out there that say hair doesn't need to lather to be clean. Our hair lathering shows us that our hair is clean. So if your hair is not lathering, it's not clean. My deep cleansing right now, it didn't lather that much, so I need to do it again. So again, I'm going to start emulsifying on the sides. See, now it's lathering a little bit more because I had a lot of product, I had a lot of oil, I had a lot of free radicals in my hair. So I start here and I move up to the top. So again, temples, move up to the top. And then we scoop it down the bottom and we make sure we get under here really well. If you can look at my hand positioning. I'm always using either the palms of my hand or my fingertips versus scratching our scalp. And the reason it's so important to get down here, we all kind of, we don't realize, neglect the bottom of our scalp, is that is where I hear mostly people say they're breaking out, or it just didn't feel clean enough, or it was tangly down there. And the reason is because we didn't give enough tension down there. So now that I felt cleansing in my hair, I know my hair is ready to receive the next shampoo, which is my Target shampoo. And my Target shampoo is the Moisture Plus shampoo. Again, we do not need a lot, especially now that we've done a deep cleansing. So again, if you don't wash your hair every day, you probably need 2 to 3 shampoos. If you wash it every day, maybe 1. How do you know? If it lathers. If it's not lathering, it means you've got a little more work to do. So that is all I'm using. And again, this will be my only application since I've already done the deep cleansing. And this is the Moisture Shampoo with the hyaluronic acid for anti-aging, which I could probably use right now. Even though I think I'm like 23 or 9 sometimes, I'm 41. I'm 41 in a shower on a tutorial. Anyway, again, emulsify is so important because concentrated products with really great ingredients in them, there's no water added to them, so we have to open up that product in our hands. Again, where do we start? Yes, we start on the sides. We start in the temples, and as we start in the temples, it moves up to the top of our hair. And again, we're using the pads of our fingertips. We're not taking it out on our hair. We're not taking the stress of the day out on our hair. We're saying, I love you. I love you. I'm going to have a fabulous day. I have a purpose today, even if it's, in the shower, washing your own hair. It'll be okay. The other important part is this part right here. And then I use my hands right here. This is where people break out the most. They have the most issues. And again, if this hair is not properly cleansed, when you're trying to get a finished look, if this hair is not in line with the rest of the hair, it supports all the rest of the hair. Smoothly run it through, and we say, I love you. I love my hair. There's no twisting. Nope, it's the twister. Nope, it's not the 60s. No, do the twist. No. So we have to be so kind to our hair when it's wet. So twisting will already set us up for failure or unexpected outcome over the long term if we don't. So now I'm gonna rinse. I'm gonna take my Moisture Plus conditioner, and again, there are different conditioners in this Milkshake line for everyone. Again, this has hyaluronic acid. It also has organic papaya. I start with that. Where do I put conditioner? Not at the sides and not at the top, where some may have put shampoo in the first place, where it'll kind of drain down and it didn't get anywhere else. But I start my conditioner, and I always emulsify. Again, we gotta open up that product and get it moving. I start mid to ends. And I just move it down. And I kind of comb through it. Our hair is sacred. We're nice and gentle. Pretty hair. Pretty hair. We're not, already stressed about the day and what I do and what I don't like and who I don't like coming across. No time for them in this space. This space is for you. If you need a little more, then you add a little. When you rinse your hair in the shower and you see a little bit of hair in the drain, please keep in mind that it is normal and natural, as leaves and plants, everything else is natural to shed, that we shed up to 50 to 150 hairs a day. That is the natural progress of our hair. Don't forget, we are part of Earth and we're human animals, and around this time of year we shed, just like, I'm sure if anyone has a pet, they shed this time of year. We do too. It's okay. The only time it's to be alarmed is that if you're seeing a super increase in hair loss. Our hair is governed by our hormones. So stress, change in diet, lack of sleep, COVID world. And just say to yourself, it's okay. I'm okay. My hair is okay. Now I'm going to be okay. So certain conditioners give some guidance as how long it takes for them to work. Some right away. But truly, for the nutrients to get in, I recommend that shampoo your hair, put the conditioner in, and do whatever else you do in the shower, whether it's shaving or washing or whatever, so it gives some chance for it to penetrate the cuticle. Why conditioner is so important is that it seals the cuticle. If anyone's afraid of using conditioner, there's a right conditioner for you. But it's so important because shampoo kind of opens up the cuticle to clean it, and conditioner's purpose is to seal it down, which gives us the next best chance on our styling going forward. So again, there are amazing conditioners. If you feel like, oh, your hair would be too soft or whatever, there is volumizing conditioners, especially obviously in the Milkshake line, that actually are designed to plump up your hair before you even step out of the shower. But it also protects your hair. So conditioner protects your hair. If you do not condition your hair, or at least use a leave-in conditioner, you are walking around metaphorically naked out through the world, and that cuticle and hair is taking in every free radical and every product because it is no protection against it. So now that it's in there long enough as I've had this conversation, I'm just gonna give it a rinse out, and you really want to make sure it's rinsed out. When we're ending, again, no twisting. We just want to gently just remove any excess water from our hair. When you get your towel, we're just going to gently pat. You will have no idea how much less frizz you will have in about a month.